Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of wrinkled clothes ruining your professional look? Do you struggle with steam irons that just don't get the job done? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of steam irons to help you find the best one for your needs. Whether you're a busy professional, a fashion enthusiast, or someone who simply wants crisp, wrinkle-free clothes, we've got you covered. Stick around as we count down the top 7 steam irons that will transform your ironing experience. Starting off our list, at number 7 is the Sunbeam Classic Steam Iron. This iron combines functionality with a classic design that many users appreciate. One of the standout features of this iron is its anti-drip system, which prevents water from leaking onto your clothes while you're ironing. This is particularly useful for delicate fabrics that can be easily damaged by water spots. The non-stick sole plate glides effortlessly over various materials, making it easy to tackle even the toughest wrinkles. The Sunbeam Classic also boasts a 360-degree swivel cord that provides flexibility and ease of movement, allowing you to reach every corner of your garments without getting tangled up in cords. This feature is especially beneficial for those who often find themselves ironing large items like bed linens or curtains. The iron heats up quickly and provides consistent steam output, which is essential for effective wrinkle removal. The adjustable steam control allows you to customize the steam output based on the fabric type, ensuring that you get optimal results every time. In terms of safety, the Sunbeam Classic features an automatic shut-off function that activates after a period of inactivity. This gives you peace of mind when you're multitasking around the house or if you happen to forget to turn it off after use. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during longer ironing sessions. Overall, this iron is perfect for everyday use and offers great value for its price. For those who prioritize ease of use and reliability, the Sunbeam Classic Steam Iron is an excellent choice. It's ideal for individuals who need a straightforward solution for maintaining their wardrobe without complex settings or features. With its combination of affordability and performance, this model proves that you don't have to break the bank to achieve wrinkle-free clothing. At number 6, we have the Sunbeam Turbo Steam Iron. This model takes everything we love about the classic version and amps it up with some additional features that make it stand out. One of its key features is the Turbo Steam Burst function, which releases a powerful blast of steam to tackle stubborn wrinkles with ease. This feature is particularly useful for heavier fabrics like denim or linen that require extra steam to smooth out creases effectively. The Turbo Steam Iron also comes equipped with a stainless steel sole plate that not only glides smoothly, but also resists scratching and sticking. This durability ensures that your iron will last longer and maintain its performance over time. The precision tip on the sole plate allows you to get into tight spaces like collars and seams without any hassle. The ergonomic design of this model ensures comfortable handling during prolonged use. Another impressive aspect of this iron is its vertical steaming capability. This feature allows you to steam hanging garments or drapes without needing an ironing board, making it incredibly versatile for quick touch-ups or when you're in a rush. The adjustable temperature dial makes it easy to switch between different fabric types, ensuring optimal results every time you use it. With an anti-drip feature in place, users can rest assured that they won't have to worry about water stains on their clothes while ironing. The large water tank capacity means fewer refills during your ironing session, allowing for uninterrupted work on larger items like curtains or bed linens. For anyone looking for a reliable and powerful steam iron, the Sunbeam Turbo Steam Iron is definitely worth considering. Overall, this model combines performance with convenience, making it suitable for both casual users and those who take their garment care seriously. If you're looking for an iron that can handle various tasks with ease while providing powerful steam output when needed, this model should be high on your list. Coming in at number 5 is the T-Fal FV5841U iron. Known for its innovative beryllium sole plate technology, this iron provides excellent glide and heat distribution for effortless ironing sessions. The sole plate features a unique design with multiple steam holes that enhance steam distribution across fabrics. This ensures that even thick materials receive adequate moisture and heat for effective wrinkle removal. One of the standout features of the T-Fal FE5841U0 is its anti-calc system, which helps prevent mineral buildup in the iron over time. This feature ensures that your iron maintains optimal performance and longevity without requiring frequent maintenance. Users will appreciate how easy it is to keep this iron functioning at peak performance without worrying about limescale affecting its efficiency. The steam output on this model is impressive. It delivers continuous steam as well as a powerful shot of steam for those tough wrinkles. The vertical steaming option adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to freshen up garments without needing an ironing board, perfect for delicate fabrics or quick touch-ups before heading out. Safety is also prioritized with this model. It includes an automatic shutoff feature that activates if left unattended for too long. This gives peace of mind when you're busy or distracted during your ironing sessions, an essential feature in any household appliance. Overall, the T-Fal FE5841U0 iron combines innovative technology with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline their ironing process while ensuring high-quality results every time they use it. At number 4 on our list is the Qi Steam Iron. With its sleek design and professional-grade performance, this iron has become a favorite among many users who appreciate both aesthetics and functionality. The Qi Steam Iron features a ceramic sole plate that heats evenly and glides smoothly over fabrics, ensuring minimal snagging or sticking during use. One notable feature is its digital temperature control system, which allows users to select precise temperatures based on fabric type, ensuring optimal results without damaging delicate materials like silk or lace. The adjustable steam output provides flexibility depending on whether you're working with heavier fabrics or lighter ones that require less moisture. The Qi Steam Iron also includes a self-cleaning function that helps maintain its performance over time by preventing mineral deposits from building up inside the unit. This feature makes it easy to keep your iron in top condition without much effort on your part, an important consideration for anyone looking to invest in a quality appliance. Another advantage of this model is its lightweight design. It's easy to maneuver and reduces fatigue during extended ironing sessions, especially beneficial if you're tackling large laundry piles or intricate garments requiring detailed work. The ergonomic handle provides comfort and grip, allowing for better control while ironing, making even challenging tasks feel manageable. In summary, if you're looking for an attractive yet highly functional steam iron, the Qi Steam Iron is an excellent choice that doesn't compromise on performance or style. In third place, we have the PurSteam Steam Iron, which has garnered attention for its powerful performance and user-friendly features. This model boasts a stainless steel sole plate designed for smooth gliding across various fabric types while ensuring even heat distribution, a critical factor in achieving wrinkle-free results quickly. One of its key highlights is the rapid heating capability. Within seconds of turning it on, it's ready to tackle wrinkles efficiently, saving valuable time during busy mornings when every minute counts. The PurSteam offers both vertical steaming capabilities and adjustable steam settings, making it versatile enough for different tasks, from traditional ironing on boards to steaming hanging garments. The PurSteam Steam Iron also features an anti-drip system that prevents water leakage at any temperature setting, a crucial aspect when working with delicate fabrics where water spots can be problematic. Additionally, it includes a self-cleaning function to ensure longevity and consistent performance over time. This means less hassle when maintaining your appliance. Safety features are well addressed with an automatic shutoff function that activates after periods of inactivity, great for those moments when life gets busy or distractions arise during chores. Overall, if you're looking for an efficient and reliable steam iron that can handle various tasks with ease while prioritizing safety and maintenance needs, the PurSteam Steam Iron should be high on your list. Taking our runner-up position at number 2 is the Rowenta DW2459 iron, renowned for its exceptional quality and performance in garment care products. Rowenta has established itself as a leader in this space, and this model exemplifies why. The DW2459 features a precision tip design that allows users to navigate tricky areas like collars and seams effortlessly, while providing powerful steam output through strategically placed holes along the sole plate, ensuring no area goes untouched during ironing sessions. Its stainless steel sole plate ensures durability while gliding smoothly over fabrics without snagging or sticking, a true testament to Rowenta's commitment towards quality engineering. This model excels in delivering high levels of continuous steam as well as vertical steaming capabilities, making it suitable not just for traditional ironing, but also for refreshing curtains or delicate garments hanging on hangers. Another noteworthy feature is its large water tank capacity, combined with an easy fill opening design, allowing users to refill without spills easily while ensuring longer uninterrupted ironing sessions before needing another refill. Safety remains paramount with Rowenta. This model includes an automatic shutoff feature that activates after being left unattended, providing peace of mind during use. If you're serious about achieving wrinkle-free clothing quickly and efficiently while enjoying advanced technology tailored towards garment care needs, the Rowenta DW2459 iron should undoubtedly be considered one of your top options. Taking our top spot at number 1 is the Rowenta DG8624 iron, a powerhouse in garment care technology. This model stands out due to its innovative design featuring a built-in boiler system that produces continuous high-pressure steam output, making quick work out of even stubborn wrinkles. The DG8624 boasts an impressive 1800 watts of power combined with a stainless steel sole plate designed specifically for optimal glide across all fabric types while maintaining durability against wear over time. A true investment piece. One major advantage here lies within its large water tank capacity. Users can enjoy extended periods between refills thanks to efficient engineering, allowing them more time spent tackling their laundry rather than constantly stopping to refill their irons. The precision tip allows access into tight areas like seams or collars effortlessly, while providing consistent heat distribution throughout each pass made across garments, ensuring no area goes untouched during ironing sessions. Safety features include an automatic shutoff option activated after periods without movement, greatly reducing risks associated with leaving appliances unattended during household tasks. Overall, the Rowenta DG8624 stands tall among competitors, largely due not only towards advanced engineering, but also thoughtful design considerations aimed directly towards enhancing user experience throughout every aspect involved within garment care processes. Thank you for joining us today as we explored some fantastic options in our countdown. We hope this guide helps you find just what you need when selecting your next steam iron. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more great content. Happy ironing!